Hello students, today we will do the part second of chapter first, that is integers. Yesterday I have told you integers on number line, addition of integers on number line, subtraction of integers on number line and solve the integers on number line. Now we were doing solve the integers on number line. How we will solve the integers on number line? Suppose I am giving you one example, 3 plus 4. Here no addition means more than and less than concept we will not use. 3 plus 4 will be 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. This we have not to do solution likewise. We have to show just on number line. I am taking one number line. This is 3 plus 4 means here firstly we have to go on 3 direct from 0 to 3. This is 3. After that plus 4. 4 steps ahead we have to move. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to make one more step. Answer is 7. If I am giving one more example, if I am writing this is 3 plus 4, you can verify your answer. If we will do 3 plus 4, it will be 7. 7 is our answer. But we have to solve the integers on number line. You have to show likewise. If I am writing 3 minus 7, show on number line. Question can be given likewise also. 3 plus minus 7. You have to make one number line. 0. All positive numbers will be right to 0 and negative numbers will be left to 0. Here is 3. That you have to go firstly from 0 to 3. After that plus minus. This here it is showing multiply sign. These concepts also I will tell you. But firstly understand this. This bracket here it's showing the multiplication of plus and minus. If we will do the multiplication of plus and minus, we will get minus. It will be 3 minus 7. Means minus. After going on 3, we have to move back. In minus, we are moving left side and we are doing minus. Minus 7. 7 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is minus 4. Here if you will solve it, answer will be minus 4. This is the solution of integers on number line. Now I will tell you the solution of integers without number line. Here I will tell you some rules. These some rules you have to keep in your mind, then only you can solve the integers. You can note down also. If our first number, first digit, or you can say first number, it is of plus, second number, if it is of minus, then calculation will be minus and sign will be of greater digit. If first number will be of minus, plus, second number of plus, then also calculation will be minus and sign will be of greater digit. If first number will be of plus, second number will be of plus, then calculation will be plus, sign will be of plus. If first number will be of minus, second number will be of minus, then calculation will be plus and sign will be of minus. These rules you have to keep in your mind, then you can solve. I am giving you example first. If first number is of plus, write 22, any number you can write 35. Second number of minus, here first number, here no sign is applied, it means it is plus. At first we don't apply sign of plus, it is understood it is plus. You can apply then also if it will not be wrong. 35, second number is of minus, then calculation will be minus. Do it minus. 28 and sign will be of greater digit. Greater digit here with 35, it means plus, greater digit 35 and sign of it plus. Here plus you can apply also and not. You can write plus 28 or 28. Both will be right. And now example second, if first digit of minus and second digit of plus, first number I have taken of minus and second of plus, then calculation will be minus and sign will be applied of greater digit. Here greater digit sign 35 minus, here minus will be. Okay. Now third rule, if both the digit will be of plus, 35 is also of plus, 7 is also plus, then calculation will be plus. You can plus these and sign will be of plus. If you write 42 or plus 42, both will be right. Now fourth example, if both number will be of minus, then calculation will be plus and sign will be applied of minus. These some rules you have to keep in your mind, then only you can solve the integers. You can note down these rules. Now I will tell you, these rules were for addition and subtraction. Now I will tell you the rules for multiplication. Likewise, some rules are also for multiplication, so that you can easily multiply the integers. Minus and minus sign, these are sign. If we multiply minus and minus, then plus sign we will get. If we will multiply minus plus, then minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, plus, plus. I am giving you an example. Minus 2 multiply minus 3. If both number are of minus sign, here also minus, here also minus, then in calculation sign will be of plus. Minus and minus plus 2 3 ja 6. If one number will be of minus and one is of positive, here no sign, it means it is of plus, then calculation we will get minus sign. This is the example of this. Here if one digit of plus, second is of minus, then also calculation will be after calculation sign will be minus. If both will be plus, then plus sign plus 6, or you can write 6, both will be same. These are some rules of calculation which you have to remember, and then you can solve the integers. Now questions can be given to you in any way. 23 minus 78, 86 plus minus 3, 2 minus minus 3, 2 plus, 2 minus plus 3, or 3. Now you can solve easily. Here one digit is of plus here and one of minus. Now remember that rule which I told you, if one digit is of plus and one digit of minus, if we are doing no multiply sign here, if we are doing plus minus addition subtraction, then calculation will be minus and sign will be of greater digit. Here 86, I have told you this bracket shows the multiplication, because two signs are together here. If two signs are together, then we are multiplying if bracket is in between. Here plus and minus. Now remember the rule, if we are multiplying, here bracket sign shows the multiply. It is showing multiply. We are multiplying plus and minus. Now remember, if we are multiplying plus and minus, we are getting minus. 86 minus 3. Answer will be, now here this is of plus, this is of minus. Calculation will be minus and sign will be applied of greater digit. 2 minus and minus multiplication, this is multiply. It will be plus 3. It will be 5. 2 minus 3, here minus 1. If one is of plus, one is of minus number, then calculation will be minus and sign will be applied of greater digit. Likewise, sum can be given to you. Now one worksheet I will give regarding these concepts which I have told you today. And earlier one worksheets you have to solve, you have to send on WhatsApp to me, and this one worksheets which will be given to you on your app. This also you have to solve and send to me on WhatsApp. I will check it. Okay students, rest of the concepts we will do by tomorrow, or otherwise in our next class whenever your periods will be. Thank you students.